Quick Write with Ollie! Let's practice writing the lowercase v. Hi there! Welcome to Quick Write with Ollie. I'm Ollie, and I'll be your writing guide. Today you will need a pencil and lined paper. Let's start by getting our page ready to write. On the left side of your page, make 3 quick write dots. One for the top line, one for the middle line, and one for the bottom line. These dots will help us stay neat and keep our writing the right size. All right, writers, let's jump right in and practice writing the lowercase v. Watch me write the first one. I start at the middle line. I slant down to the bottom line. I slant back up to the middle line. That's a lowercase v. Now let's do 5 together. Ready? Write. Start at the middle line. Slant down to the bottom line. Slant back up to the middle line. That looked really nice. Let's write another one. Ready? Write. Start at the middle line. Slant down to the bottom line. Slant back up to the middle line. Nice work! Is your V sitting perfectly on the bottom line? Let's keep going. Ready? Write. Start at the middle line. Slant down to the bottom line. Slant back up to the middle line. Wow, your pencil control is getting better and better. Ready? Write. Start at the middle line. Slant down to the bottom line. Slant back up to the middle line. Your lowercase v looks great. Last one. Ready? Write. Start at the middle line. Slant down to the bottom line. Slant back up to the middle line. Wow, you did an awesome job staying focused and writing carefully today. Look at your lowercase v's. Which one is your best? Circle the one you're most proud of. Great job today! You did some really careful writing. Remember, you can watch this video as many times as you want to keep getting better. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Hands-On Learning Lab. There, you'll be able to practice writing all your letters and numbers with me. Plus, find lots of other fun interactive videos. See you next time at the Hands-On Learning Lab. Check out these other great learning videos.